Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have started with our subject Environmental Study means EVS Part 1. In that we have started chapter number 1, our Earth and our solar system. Yesterday we have learned many topics about it like heavenly bodies, stars, planets, solar system, rotation, revolution, what is Earth. I hope you all understand very clearly. Today we are going to start about solar system, which is the main part of our chapter. Okay. So in Marathi for solar system we say Surya Mala. आज आपल्याला सूर्यमालाच्या संदर्भात थोडक्यात माहिती समजून घ्यायची आहे. First of all of you understand what is mean by solar system. See, the sun and the planet, their satellite, dwarf planet and asteroid that revolves around the sun are together called solar system. See, to understand the solar system, I have drawn the diagram of the solar system. Which diagram is shown in your page number 2. So you have to carefully look at that picture and understand what is solar system. In that solar system, what planets are present. Okay. So first of all, we will know how solar system is working in the sky. The sun. Friends or students, where do you find the sun? Sun is in the center of that solar system. Why? He is in center because sun gives lights to all planets. Okay. Then the planets, their satellite. सॅटेलाइटला आपण मराठीतून काय म्हणतो माहितीये का? उपग्रह. बघा, सूर्यमालामध्ये ग्रहांच्या सोबत उपग्रह, काही लघुग्रह, बटुग्रह या सुद्धा असतात. ओके. सो इन सोलार सिस्टम the sun, the planets, these all are the planets, then satellites, then asteroid, meteoroids, comets. These all things are present in the solar system. So today we have to learn about the solar system very clearly. See, every planet in the solar systems revolves around the sun. See, you will find every planets are revolving around the sun. See, all planets are revolving around the sun. Okay. This path is known as the planet orbit. So you will see this black line I have drawn. No, this is nothing but the path of the orbit where the planets revolves around the sun. They never leaves their path. Remember this. The sun, which is the star, it is a big and brilliant star. This sun, which is a star, and the planet that revolves around it are together called solar system. Now students, remember that in solar system actually there were the 9 planets, but number 9 planet is not now mentioned in your textbook. Now we have the 8 planet. Now which are the 8 planet? Listen all of you carefully. Number 1 is Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Neptune, Jupiter, Uranus, and 9th one is the Pluto. Now it is not mentioned in our textbook because it is a now dwarf planet. What is it? It is a dwarf planet. त्याला आपण मराठीतून काय म्हणतो? बटू ग्रह. कारण की तो आता या 8 ग्रहापासून दूर झालेला आहे. Okay. So to remember the name of this 8 planet, I will share or I will write few lines where you will remember always. Okay. And you have to write this 2 lines in your notebook and learn these 2 lines perfectly. You can easily know the name of the 8 planets. See, my very educated, my very educated mother just showed us 9 planets. So students, always remember this line. You will definitely learn what are the 9 planets. What I have written? My very educated mother just showed us 9 planets. Now all of you remember that M stands for, now see in the solar system, near the sun, Mercury is there. So from my, M stands for the Mercury. So this is the first planet of solar system. Then second is very, which stands V for Venus, which is the second planet of the solar system. Now educated, E. Now E stands for what? Earth, which is the third planet of our solar system. Then mother. M stands for what? M stands for Mars, which is the fourth planet of solar system. J stands for the Jupiter. S stands for Saturn. U stands for Uranus. N stands for Neptune. And P stands for Pluto. So these all are the 9 planets, but in your textbook, in textbook it is given only 8 planet because Pluto is now draft planet. See, my very educated mother just show us 9 planets. How our mother show us 9 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So these all 9 planets are present in our solar system. And students, remember that each planet have their own path. They always revolves with their own path only. Okay? They do not leave their path. ते त्यांच्या कक्षातच नेहमी गोल गोल सूर्याच्या अवतीभोवती फिरत असतात. हे नेहमी सगळ्यांनी लक्षात राहू द्यायचं आहे. Okay students? Beside the planets, see, I have drawn here 9 planets. After 9 planets, you will see some other planets also have written. Okay? So beside the planet in the solar system, there are some heavenly bodies. Which are the heavenly bodies? Asteroid, comets, meteoroid, and many more. There are some heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means what? याला आपण मराठीतून खगोलीय वस्तू असं म्हणतात. Okay? So today we have to learn our next topic, that is other heavenly bodies which are present in our solar system. So all of you understand the solar system? Okay? So in solar system, these all planets plus other heavenly bodies also revolves around the sun into their own path. Okay? All of you understand? Any problem? Now we will come to the other heavenly bodies. And remember students, you have to learn this line forever. Whenever someone will ask you how many planets are there in the solar system, you should answer quickly. Okay. So all of you learn this line perfectly to know the name of the 9 planets. Now we will start today next topic, that is heavenly bodies which are present in our solar system. I hope you all understand the solar system and the 9 planets. Now we have to learn about the heavenly bodies in the solar system. Number 1, that is satellite. Satellite ला काय म्हणतात माहिती आहे का मराठीतून? सॅटेलाइट ला आपण मराठीतून उपग्रह असं म्हणतो. माहिती आहे का तुम्ही जे टीव्ही, मोबाइल्स, सो दीज ऑल satellites are thrown up into the sky. मग या सोलार सिस्टम मध्ये with the help of the space, satellites are gone up and we can see our TV, our mobile phones. Okay, so all information we get from our satellite. Okay. Now first of all understand what is meant by satellite. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets are called satellite. Satellite means what? Some heavenly bodies which revolves around the satellite. See, I have drawn in the solar system some heavenly bodies like comets, asteroids, meteoroids. Okay, many more heavenly bodies are there in the solar system. So satellite means what? Some heavenly bodies. काही खगोलीय वस्तू ग्रहाभोवती परिभ्रमण करत असतात, त्याला आपण उपग्रह असं म्हणतो. ओके. Then next we will see that is dwarf planet. What we have to learn? That is dwarf planet. Now we have to learn about the dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means what? त्याला आपण मराठीतून भटू ग्रह असं म्हणतो. See, there are a small heavenly bodies which revolves around the sun. We call them as a dwarf planet. Okay. There are some smaller heavenly body, very smaller heavenly bodies. Now they respectively revolves around the sun with their own. Okay. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun are called dwarf planets. Okay, what we call them as a dwarf planet. So dwarf planet means what? They revolve independently. They do not depend on other. They independently revolve around the sun. That is why now Pluto has become a dwarf planet. So all of you understand the dwarf planet. Now we will come to the third, that is asteroid. एस्ट्रॉइड ला मराठीतून आपण काय म्हणणार? लघुग्रह. लघुग्रह म्हणजे काय हे सगळ्यांनी समजून घ्या. मंगळ व गुरु या ग्रहांच्या दरम्यान असंख्य लहान लहान खगोलीय वस्तूंचा एक पट्टा असतो. सी इन सोलार सिस्टम आय हॅव ड्रॉन द एस्ट्रॉइड बेल्ट. सी लाइक दिस some points I have shown you in the solar system. That is nothing but the asteroid. त्याला आपण लघुग्रह म्हणतो. तो एक हेवनली बॉडीचा पट्टा म्हणजे खगोलीय वस्तूंचा हा एक पट्टा असतो. या पट्ट्यातील खगोलीय वस्तूंना लघुग्रह असं म्हणतात. लघुग्रह देखील सूर्याभोवती स्वतंत्र परिभ्रमण करत असतो. ओके, सो एस्ट्रॉइड ऑल्सो इंडिपेंडेंटली रिव्हॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. So asteroid means what? Where we find the asteroid? Between the planets like Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous smaller heavenly bodies are called asteroid. What we call them as a asteroids. Okay, it is also the part of our solar system. So you understand what is satellite, dwarf planet and asteroid. So these all things are present in our solar system. The planet, the satellite, the dwarf planet, asteroid, these all are the parts of the solar system. So student, if you want to read the page number 2, so you read the page number 2 and understand what is solar system and what things are present in the solar system. Okay, I hope you understand today's our part very clearly. If you understand our part clearly, what you have to do students, तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्या शाळेच्या वेबसाईटवर PBM ऑनलाईन इथं सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरायचं नाही. माझा व्हिडिओ बघितल्यानंतर सगळ्यांनी न विसरता सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका. कुठे सबस्क्राइब करणार? PBM ऑनलाईन ई लर्निंग चॅनलवर. कळालं सगळ्यांना? कोणाला काही अडचण असेल तर मला तुम्ही पर्सनली कॉल करून विचारू शकता. धन्यवाद.